Anti-aging plan. Transform your look and feel younger now. 58006 words. Introduction. Transform your appearance and rejuvenate your body with this comprehensive 7-day anti-aging plan, designed for practitioners to implement today. Understanding aging processes. 1. Extrinsic aging factors. Sun exposure, smoking, and pollution contribute significantly to visible signs of aging such as wrinkles and pigmentation changes. Harvard Health Publishing, 2023. 2. Day 1, Hydration Boost. 1. Drink water. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily to maintain skin hydration and elasticity. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine, 2023. 2. 1. Antioxidant-rich diet. Consume foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds to combat free radicals that cause skin damage. USDA, 2025. 2. Day 3, Exfoliation Revival. 1. Physical exfoliants. Use gentle scrubs containing natural ingredients like sugar or salt to remove dead skin cells and improve texture. American Academy of Dermatology Association, 2025. 2. Day 4, Collagen Support. 1. Collagen Boosting Supplements. Incorporate collagen peptides into your daily routine to help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. National Institutes of Health, 2025. 2. Day 5, Restorative Sleep. 1. Sleep hygiene. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to ensure quality rest. National Sleep Foundation, 2025. 2. Day 6, Sun Protection. 1. Sunscreen application. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even on cloudy days. American Academy of Dermatology Association, 2025. 2. Day 7, Stress Management. 1. Meditation and mindfulness practices. Incorporate daily meditation or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, 202 Anti-Aging Plan. Transform your look and feel younger now. 58006 words. Introduction. Transform your appearance and rejuvenate your body with this comprehensive 7-day anti-aging plan, designed for practitioners to implement today. Understanding aging processes. 1. Extrinsic aging factors. Sun exposure, smoking, and pollution contribute significantly to visible signs of aging such as wrinkles and pigmentation changes. Harvard Health Publishing, 2023. 2. Executive Summary. This 7-day anti-aging plan offers practitioners actionable steps to combat visible signs of aging. The strategies focus on hydration, antioxidants, exfoliation, collagen support, restorative sleep, sun protection, and stress management. By following this guide, expect improved skin texture, reduced wrinkles, and a more youthful appearance. Context definitions. Aging refers to the natural process of growing older, which may lead to physical changes such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and decreased elasticity. Extrinsic factors are external elements that affect aging, while intrinsic factors are genetic or internal components. State of the field. The anti-aging industry continues to grow, with a focus on developing innovative skincare products, supplements, and treatments to combat visible signs of aging. However, it is essential to understand both extrinsic and intrinsic factors to create effective anti-aging strategies. Methodological lens. This plan utilizes a multidisciplinary approach, combining dermatology, nutrition, sleep science, and stress management to provide comprehensive anti-aging solutions. Main argument: by addressing extrinsic aging factors through sun protection, smoking cessation, and pollution reduction, as well as intrinsic factors by promoting hydration, antioxidants, exfoliation, collagen support, restorative sleep, and stress management, slow down the visible signs of aging and maintain a youthful appearance. Counterarguments. Rebuttals. Some may argue that these strategies are time-consuming or expensive. However, investing in one's health and appearance can lead to long-term benefits and improved overall well-being. Additionally, many affordable options for skincare products, supplements, and lifestyle changes are available. Case study: last 7 days. This section will provide a summary of the daily anti-aging strategies covered in this guide, serving as a quick reference for practitioners and individuals following the plan. Practical implications. By implementing these anti-aging strategies, practitioners can offer their clients effective solutions to combat visible signs of aging, leading to increased client satisfaction and loyalty. Risks. While this guide provides numerous benefits, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to one's diet or skincare routine, especially for those with sensitive skin or pre-existing conditions. Ethics. Governance. Practitioners should always prioritize their clients' best interests and provide evidence-based recommendations. It is also crucial to adhere to ethical guidelines and regulations set forth by professional organizations and government agencies. Outlook. Scenarios. As research in the anti-aging field continues to evolve, new treatments and technologies may